Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and jumping straight to Settings, then Autofill and Passwords. This is where the export control lives. Once there, make sure you're in the right profile and that sync is enabled if you want exported items to match your account. You'll be prompted to confirm your identity, so have your device password, PIN, or fingerprint ready. Doing this now avoids interruptions later and ensures you export the exact set of credentials you intend. Next, click the three-dot icon beside Saved Passwords and select Export Passwords. Chrome will warn that exported data is readable, so pay attention. Once you confirm, the browser asks your operating system to authenticate. This prevents unauthorized exports. Enter your OS password, PIN, or use biometrics when prompted. This step decrypts and generates the CSV file. Make sure to pick a temporary, secure save location, so the file isn't left in downloads exposed to other users. Finally, save the CSV using a clear temporary file name and verify its contents by opening it. Ensure usernames and sites match expectations. Once verified, immediately import the file into your target password manager or encrypted storage, and then securely delete the CSV from disk and empty the recycle bin. If the export fails, restart Chrome and try again. Also make sure Chrome is up to date and your operating system credentials are working. If authentication keeps failing, check your OS account settings or biometric drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.